In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite a guest to Asana. Asana is a powerful tool for managing projects and collaborating with your team, but there are times when you need to bring in outside people such as freelancers, clients, or partners. Fortunately, Asana makes it easy to invite guests to your organization or specific projects. Let's go through this process step by step so you can efficiently include the right external collaborators in your workflows. First, open Asana and navigate to your organization home, or head to the specific team or project you intend to share with your guest. It's crucial to know where exactly you want to have this guest engaged. Now, whether you're on the organization dashboard or a specific project, locate the Share or Invite button. This button is usually present on the top right corner or prominently positioned on your project page. Give it a click, and it should bring up a sharing or invitation dialog. Once the invite interface is open, you'll be prompted to enter the email address of the individual you'd like to invite as a guest. Here's an important note. If you wish for this individual to join as a guest, they need to have an email address that is outside of your organization's domain. Guests cannot be within your domain if you want them to have limited access as external participants. Next, you'll choose where exactly in Asana you want this guest to engage. Do you only want them to access a particular project or multiple tasks? Make sure you select the specific projects or tasks you want them to be involved in. Remember, if the guest is only granted access to a single project, that's all they will see. However, if you add them directly to a team, they might end up having access to more than just one project, depending on the visibility and access settings of that team. After you've made your selections and are happy with the permissions, go ahead and send the invite. Once this is done, the guest will receive an email invitation to join your Asana environment. If they are using an email from outside your domain, they'll automatically come in with guest status, meaning they'll have a limited view unless you've adjusted permissions otherwise. Speaking of permissions, you have the choice to set their access level. Decide how much control or interaction you want this guest to have. Should they be able to edit tasks or just view and comment? It's vital to consider what makes sense for your collaboration while maintaining the security and integrity of your project's information. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can seamlessly bring a guest into your Asana projects, ensuring they have the right level of access to contribute effectively without compromising your organization's data. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating.